Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities for civil engineers. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is ELV Arc. So ELV projects. So I will be giving the link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company. So here there is multi openings for civil engineers. So kindly make use of it. In the left corner you will be having 3 dots. When you click on that, you will be getting these options like home, about us, project, etc. In this you have to click career. See here, you have to click career. When you click on the career, you can see current openings. When you keep on scrolling down, you can see an icon called current jobs. You have to click on the icon current jobs. So when you click on, you can see various job opportunities like marketing executive. So below that they will be given the experience what they want, and in the right hand side you can see the location also, like sales manager, executive assistant, accountant in Hyderabad, and senior site engineer, sales manager, storekeeper, site engineer, senior engineer in OC. And today first we will be seeing details regarding the site engineer. So freshers can apply, those who are having 0 to 2 years experience in the field also can apply, and job location is in Bangalore. So when you click on the site engineer, you will be coming here. So it's a full-time job and job location is Bangalore, and freshers and those who have 0 to 2 years experience can apply. When you scroll down, they will be telling about the company details and what all responsibilities which you need. So they are seeking a junior site engineer to join the team. If you are responsible for planning, procurement, site execution of the project within your scope, means then your job is over. And if you believe you can be a self-starter and capable of delivering projects in time, means you can join with them. Other responsibilities are you have to estimate the quantities, cost of the material, scrutinize the maintenance and material costs, preparing reports and analyzing, advising the manager on improvement and new strategies, keeping track of materials. So these are the things which they expect from you. And importantly is you must have 0 to 2 years experience in construction with supervisory or project oversight, and sound outstanding of home construction process, ability to read and understand architectural, structural, mechanical and electrical plans, so that it will be very helpful for the engineer. And you must have your basic knowledge in Microsoft Excel too. And the qualification is you must have a bachelor or bachelor degree or diploma in civil engineering, construction science, engineering, architecture or related field. So those who are willing, means you can click on the icon apply for this job and can give the details. So here if you come back for checking the open position, you can choose your department like site operation. So when you click on the department, you will be getting various departments. Out of this you can select site operations, so that regarding your department you will be getting many posts. So now we will be seeing like senior site engineer, QS and billing engineer. So now we'll see the details of QS and billing engineer. So the same thing, the location is Bangalore, but they expect 2 years experience. Freshers can apply for this job, and mainly they expect experienced surveyor and billing engineer, and you must be part of the project team also. Other responsibilities are as I said before, you should have minimum 2 years experience in surveying field and consultancy organization, and should have thorough knowledge and practical field work. And main thing is you must have a bachelor degree or a diploma degree in civil. If you have any of these, you can apply for this job. You can click on the icon apply for this job. So you have to upload your resume, you have to give your basic details by filling everything, and after that you have to upload even certain documents like experience certificate also. And once you click on the icon apply now, you will be applied for this job, and they will be calling for the interview either online or offline, and all the details will be shared through email and registered mobile number. So kindly share this video to all civil engineers, it will be very helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel. We will be sharing all the job opportunities for mechanical, electronics and EEE, E&I and civil engineers. So it will be great helpful for all the graduates in seeking the jobs. We will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.